Okay, this section is solving two-step equations with negative coefficients. And if you're afraid of the negative coefficients, remember you can use your calculator. The goal when we're solving an equation is to get the variable by itself. So to get rid of that 8, I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. This is gone now, but I still have that negative 7d. So all I did was get rid of my 8. And negative 55 minus 8 is negative 63. And then to get rid of the negative 7 that's being multiplied by d, we need to divide both sides by negative 7. So we get d equals 9. And the directions said check. This is a little tip. If they're giving you multiple choices, you can take their multiple choices and substitute it in for the variable and make sure it works. So 8 minus 63 is in fact negative 55. So I know my answer is right. Okay, we need to get rid of 8. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. So I still have the negative in front of my d, just the 8 is gone. And negative 10 minus 8 is negative 18. Divide both sides by negative 1, and I have d equals 18. And this is a quick check, because all I have to do is substitute 18 in for d, so 8 minus 18 is negative 10, and I know I'm right. Okay, this time I need to get rid of the negative 20, so the opposite of negative 20 is positive 20, so I'm adding 20 to both sides. I still have the negative from my variable, so negative 6 plus 20 is 14. And then I have to divide both sides by negative 1. Negative divided by a negative is a positive. And positive divided by a negative is a negative. And check. So we're going to substitute negative 14 in for b. So we have minus negative 14, which, remember, turns it into a plus. So negative 20 plus 14 is negative 6. My check step worked. I know I'm right. I need to add 51 to both sides to get rid of that constant. Negative 19 plus 51, you could plug it in your calculator. If you don't want to do the arithmetic, it's 32. And then this guy is gone, so all I have left is negative 8z. To get rid of the negative 8, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8. And z is negative 4. Again, if you're not confident on dividing by negative, type it into the calculator, you can. And do my check step. So does negative 19 equal negative 51 minus 8 times negative 4? I hope so. So that's going to be negative times negative is plus 32. And negative 51 plus 32 is negative 19. My check step worked. I know my answer's right. A new truck that costs $18,000 depreciates or loses its value by $2,250 each year. After how many years will the truck be worth $4,500? Okay, I went ahead and set up the equation. So we're starting off with $18,000 and we're depreciating, so losing, they told us, $2,050 each year. X stands for years. We could use Y for years, but we like X. And we want to know how long it'll be before it's worth $4,500. So to get rid of the 18,000, I'm going to subtract 18,000 from both sides of my equation. And I have negative 2,250 times x equals 4,500 minus 18,000 is negative 13,500. And then I just need to, I'm going to use a calculator. These are big numbers. Negative 2,050 on both sides. Divide. I lost a 2. There it is, found it. Okay, and so my calculator says that x equals 6. Okay, checking that, if I substitute 6 in for x using my calculator, 18,000 minus 2,250 times 6, type it in my calculator, hit enter, and I got 4,500. So I know that my answer is right.